Good day, grade 12 learners. Welcome to today's business studies lesson. My name is Tiriso Tlhaka and we'll be looking into conflict management. Did you know that conflict can benefit an organization because it results in clarification of important issues? Because when there's conflict, there's disagreements which lead to clarity being sought to say what led to the conflict and why are there any disagreements. So that can lead to clarity when it comes to problems and issues. It may lead to solutions to problems, and it can also lead to better cooperation and communication, because after that, after the clarity seeking and after solutions, then there can be better communication and cooperation between team members. Now, let us look now into our lesson objectives. This is what we should understand by the end of this lesson. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to mention the causes of conflict in the workplace. You should also be able to explain how businesses can handle conflict in the workplace, or what we call the conflict resolution steps or techniques. This is a way in which conflict can be solved, and then we'll also elaborate on the meaning of grievancy to say what do we mean by the word grievancy, and also discuss the correct procedure to dealing with grievancy in the workplace. Then we will also be able to look into the following, which is to identify difficult personalities from a given scenario and suggest ways in which businesses can deal with difficult personalities in the workplace, and recommend ways in which the business can deal with difficult employees in the workplace. And then this is our concept map, which basically would guide us in terms of how the lesson is going to be structured. We'll look into the causes of conflict, then look into how to resolve the conflict, and also look into the meaning of grievance and the grievance procedure. Then we'll look into difficult personalities and how to deal with difficult employees. Then pre-knowledge, this is what you must be knowing by now. You must be knowing the stages of team development and the different phases that teams would be going through before they achieve the team success and cooperation and understanding within the team. Now, let us check if you really understood the theory about stages of team development. We have a multiple choice question which says to you, during the stage of team development, the team members accept that they need to work in harmony with one another. Is it during the forming, or the storming, or the norming, or the performing stage? What is key here is to look into the keyword to say during this stage, team members accept that they need to work in harmony with one another. So the answer there is supposed to be norming, to say after storming there should be norming, whereby team members agree on how they should work with one another. Then we'll look into these language or these new words. The first term is conflict, which refers to a clash of opinions or ideas which may happen in the workplace. Then we have the term grievance, which now refers to when an employee has a problem or a complaint about a working condition in the workplace. So with that being said, let us take a short break and we will continue with the main focus of our lesson.